Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with an OG RPG show. Same classical packaging as usual, a drawstring bag, and then we have the box with all the goodies. Okay, so let's go ahead and get inside. Alright, so first we have the wig, which we're gonna get into. Then I have the branded RPG show elastic headband. I got this little envelope with the invoice. I got a pair of wig caps. Okay, and this type of wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today is a very special one. So they sent me an information card with all about the cap, which I'm going to get into in a few. I got another magazine. It's not an RPG show package if you don't get one of these magazines, okay? It's really not. Then I got a flyaway tamer. This is just basically a wax stick, sample size. And then we got some lace tapes, you know, glueless, but then you want a little bit more security. And then there's also another bag here, which is branded RPG show. So yeah, so this is today's wig. Okay, come through color, come through blonde ombre vibes. Looks good. So what we're working with today, guys, this is actually RPG Hair's upgraded MAXIPART 10x6 Swiss lace closure wig. Yeah, this is actually a closure. They regard this as a closure. As much as it looks like a frontal, it's 10x6 and it's 180% in density for the wig. It's definitely giving that. All right, it's a tinted transparent lace as well, and it's a medium-sized cap. The length of this hair is 20 inches. They always pre-customize everything really nicely. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It's all done for you as it comes pre-curled. Okay, now the special features of this cap, you know, as you can see, as I said, it's a maxi part. So this lace closure is so wide. You could go ahead and explore a number of different styles. Unlike your typical lace closure where it's way smaller, this is really wide. So that is definitely a pro. Also, they made sure to ensure the cap of this has that curve to accommodate your ear, so the wig cap sits comfortably. Now, the combs inside are also removable. They're attached by Velcro. And then there is this adjustable strap, which is obviously branded RPG show, and this helps with more security. Then in the back is a drawstring. It's not your typical type of cap where it's just some adjustable straps. This is a drawstring, so you can better like fit it to your head size. So you see that? Yeah, they're coming with it. Looks really good. And as I said, lace is pre-bleached. And yeah, it's 3 combs, by the way. It's 3 removable combs. It's amazing. And the lace feels really good. As I say, it's one of their, they do nothing but Swiss lace. Their laces are just always top tier and it feels really good. So yeah, this is how the color looks. The color job is done so professionally. I absolutely love it. But yeah, this is gonna be so great. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a really nice glueless install. This is gonna be perfect for my beginners. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I just wanted to show you guys the cap construction. So they made sure to send me like the actual cap but without hair, so you guys could better see what you're working with and all the features better. So let me just go ahead and slip it on. Once you slip it on, you can see, you can clearly tell like it's perfect. It's a medium size and it fits me perfectly once I put it on my head. Like you can see, they created this outline here to show you where the hair would start. You know, it looks really good. It fits really nice and snug. And then in the back, all you do is pull on the drawstring and then you just adjust it. You just adjust it and you see how it just kind of just really gets super snugged, and it's not like super tight or anything, but that's very secure. That's how we look in the back. Conceal this, I usually just slip it, push it beneath the cap, but that's it. This is the type of cap we're working with today, and I think they really did their thing with it. So let's go ahead and proceed to putting this wig on. this is how we're looking once I zip it on. And as you can see, I just did the drawstring portion, so I'm gonna cut away the excess lace. I'm gonna just take the time and do that in bits and pieces. Where is the lace? It's not even a cast. Okay, not even a cast. Lovely. You actually don't need any powder for this. Like, you know, sometimes you need a little bit of powder to conceal it. I cannot see the lace. They already styled this so perfect. I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and lay the top a little flatter, but the curls in it, you know, obviously it's processed, so the texture does feel a little on the coarser side because it is blonde, you know, it is processed, so that's expected. Remember, this is a party max. This is a MAXIPART wig, so do note that you can go ahead and get a nice deep side part with this, like I'm showing you right now, and it looks so much like scalp. Remember, it's bleached to perfection. That is gorgeous. So if you want to go ahead and do like your half nose, you want to braid it up, all that good stuff, you can do that. Actually, I like the tone of the blonde. It's not like yellowy, you know. They did their thing on it. So I'm gonna get my wax stick and I'm just gonna get my hot comb and just lay the top. Completely glueless MAXIPART lace closure blonde drawstring wig. Oh my gosh, look at that. Really nice for 180% for the density. It does feel full too. The only thing is that I wish it was a little less coarse. As I said, it's on the coarser side, but that's due to all the processing, which clearly you can see it's bleached. So yeah, do note that, but everything else is a 10. Like, it is definitely giving special occasion. You don't just put this wig on to go anywhere, unless, I mean, you just, you know, in the mood for that all the time. But, you know, it definitely gives special occasion kind of wig, glueless. You don't need to go to the salon to install this wig. You could do it all on your own as a beginner. And even if you know how to install all the wigs in the world and you just don't have the time for all of that, you want to look dressy, you want to look cute, but not a lot to it when it comes down to installation, this is it. And then you can actually do a lot with it too in terms of styling. Just to let you guys know, okay, you know, Black Friday is coming up and all that jazz. The code for their Black Friday sale is Friday. You can get up to 130 USD off your order. What? That's a big discount. Up to $130. Okay, so keep that in mind. All of that information will be down below. The direct link to this wig will be down below. The specifications will be listed. All of that, if you're interested in any other wig that they may have, that's down below. But shout out to RPGSHOW for today's gorgeous wig. They did their thing. I'm really loving the look. I hope that you found this informative. If you like this wig, all that good stuff, go ahead and give me a like, share this video, all that good stuff. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.